Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about to fix why can't I find my HP printer. Follow the instruction and don't skip the video.
Having trouble finding your HP printer could be due to several reasons. 1. Connection issues. Ensure that your printer is properly connected to your computer or network. If it's a wireless printer, check if it's connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. 2. Power. Make sure your printer is powered on. It sounds obvious, but sometimes simple things like this get overlooked. 3. Drivers. Ensure that you have the necessary drivers installed on your computer. Without the proper drivers, your computer won't recognize the printer. 4. Compatibility. Ensure that your printer is compatible with your operating system. Sometimes older printers might not be supported by newer operating systems. 5. Firewall/antivirus. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus settings can block communication between your computer and printer. Check your settings to see if this might be the issue. 6. Network issues. If it's a network printer, there might be network issues preventing your computer from detecting it. Check if other devices can see the printer on the network. 7. Printer visibility settings. Check the printer settings to ensure that it's set to be visible on the network if it's a network printer. 8. Restart devices. Sometimes, simply restarting both your computer and printer can resolve connectivity issues. If you've checked all these and still can't find your HP printer, it might be helpful to consult HP's support resources or contact their customer support for further assistance. If you have any doubt, please call the toll-free 1-844-609-6674.